Hello friends. Over the past decade, China's economic growth has accelerated at a pace that is many times faster than that of the United States. But have you ever wondered why this happens? Chinese products are usually available at cheap prices. But as we all know, they aren't very durable. Yet very few of us actually know that China ranks first in the entire world when it comes to manufacturing and selling fake items. So in today's episode, we are going to see things about China that you could never even imagine. Welcome to another brand new episode. Many of us buy products made in China, but you cannot even imagine what we are actually using. The toys we buy for our children from China could even be made from used condoms. China uses anything that gets thrown away. China can manufacture any electronic item within your budget, which will remain functional only until it reaches your hands. Fake fish, meat, and even fake eggs are produced in China. There is a popular saying about China: everything with 4 legs is eaten here except tables and chairs. Here, eggs are boiled in the urine of virgin boys and eaten. This tradition has been practiced in China for thousands of years, with urine collected directly from local schools. They believe that eating these eggs reduces lower back, leg, and joint pain, while keeping the body energetic all day. Additionally, cockroaches, rats, dogs, and even crocodiles are eaten here. In the city of Yulin in China's Guangxi province, a dog meat festival is held every year in June, where an estimated 10 to 20 million dogs are slaughtered. Around 400,000 cats are also consumed in China every year. China is world famous for all kinds of bizarre and gross foods. Here, sheep testicles are wrapped around wooden sticks and roasted over fire. In China's capital, Beijing, noodles cooked with rooster testicles are available. In China, wealthy and influential people can hire body doubles to go to prison in their place. China's largest archaeological collection is located in Shanghai. 27% of the porn videos circulating on the internet are produced in China. So many suicides occur in China every day that there are actual job positions dedicated to retrieving dead bodies from rivers. Facebook and Twitter have been banned in China since 2009. In 2010, Shanghai experienced a 100-kilometer-long traffic jam that lasted for 12 days. A child with a disability is born in China every 30 seconds due to heavy pollution. Breathing the air in Beijing for 1 day is equivalent to smoking 21 cigarettes. You can even see people wearing masks in most photos from China on the internet. 90% of China's rivers have toxic water. China will build more than 10 cities similar to New York. Another major event, the most widely discussed pandemic in recent times, coronavirus COVID-19, was first detected in the city of Wuhan, China, an event that shook the entire world. However, today's China is not limited to these controversies alone. Cities of the future are being built here. AI-controlled smart cities, facial recognition systems, and even Chongqing, known as an 8D city, where roads, train tracks, and buildings are constructed in a way that feels beyond 3D. China's surveillance system is so powerful that every single movement you make in a public place can be tracked. You will be further surprised to learn that China ranks #1 in sex toy sales. China has more active cell phones than the entire population of the United States. There is a trend here of painting pets to make them look like tigers, pandas, and zebras. Hong Kong Polytechnic University in China even offers a degree in bra design. The top factories in China's massive lingerie manufacturing industry even have dedicated labs for bras. Every year, these companies manufacture innerwear for global brands like Victoria's Secret, Playtex, and Maidenform. When it comes to manufacturing fake items, China has advanced so far that even rice is counterfeited here. This fake rice made in China is often called plastic rice. It is produced by mixing synthetic resins with various chemicals. When cooked, it looks just like regular rice. Many people have already fallen ill from consuming it. It is still sold openly in China. Fake honey is also produced and sold in China. By now, you surely understand why Chinese goods are so cheap and why they do not last long. Despite all this, if you continue to buy and use Chinese products, you are essentially spending money to buy your own demise. Friends, there are so many more bizarre facts about China that cannot be covered in a single video. Once this video gets 100 likes, the second part will be uploaded. So friends, that is all we have for today. See you in the next episode. Until then, stay well. Thank you.